Hi, Jeannie here, and today I'm going to show you the 4 keys to a good sales page. And this is an example that I'm taking from the website creation workshop by Christina Hills. So this is a sales page. It's created in Divi. And so the first thing is that at the very top of the page, you have an effective name of the course that you plan to teach. So in this case, it's Website Creation Virtual Summer Camp. And the formal title of this course is the Website Creation Workshop. So it's very clear that in this course, you're creating workshops and websites, and you are going to get a command of website building at the end of the course. Now, the second thing that's really effective on this page, and this is called a long form sales page, meaning it's not just a summary of the course that you're teaching, is that you have some eye-catching graphics. And usually graphics of people smiling tend to be more effective on a sales page than maybe a logo or an avatar and that sort of thing. Now, the third thing that's very effective is that you're speaking directly to your target audience when you're writing the copy of your sales page. And so a lot of times people who are taking this course will call themselves non-techie instead of maybe I'm not good at creating websites or, something that you would come up with yourself when you're trying to think of clever ways to reach your audience. So you want to mirror the language that your target audience is using. And then another tip is that if you scroll down, and this I don't see often on all sales pages, but it's very effective to have the replay to any live trainings that you delivered right on the sales page. Now, sometimes people don't offer a replay because they are trying to get more people to attend live, but this is a very unique and effective way to subtly direct people to the replay and also let them read your sales copy. And so I do recommend if you offer any live webinars to record them and consider putting the replay on your sales page. Now, you'll have a call to action at the bottom, and this is kind of a given, but in Divi, you have this way of showing 2 different payment options. And so if you do have a page builder on your website, it is helpful to have a full pay version and a payment plan version if that's something that you offer in your business. So I hope that you enjoyed these tips. If you're interested in taking the website creation workshop, please email me, Gina at techdoneforyou.com. This class opens usually 2 to 3 times a year. And so it is time sensitive, but if you'd like to join off of my affiliate link, I have 3 big bonuses for you. So just email me and let me know. If the course is closed, I'll just let you know how to contact the team so that you can figure out when the next launch is. But this is a very nice example of an effective sales page, and you can use these techniques in your own business. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the next video. Have a great day.